This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on BlueStacks. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official BlueStacks website. Locate the download button, usually prominently displayed, and click it to begin downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, run the executable file and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to install BlueStacks on your computer. This setup typically takes only a few minutes to finish. With BlueStacks now installed, launch the application from your desktop shortcut or Start menu. On the BlueStacks home screen, you will find an icon for the Google Play Store. Click it to open the storefront. Use the search bar at the top to type in Brawl Stars, then select the official game from the search results. Click the Install button to download and automatically install the game within the emulator, just like on a mobile device. For the best Brawl Stars experience, it is crucial to optimize your BlueStacks settings. Go to the Settings menu, typically found via a gear icon, and navigate to the Engine or Performance tab. Here, allocate at least 4 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM for smooth gameplay. Also, ensure your graphics renderer is set to performance mode and select a high frame rate, like 120 frames per second, for fluidity. After launching Brawl Stars within BlueStacks, you will want to set up custom controls for precision and comfort. Access the Game Controls menu, usually on the right-hand sidebar, and open the Controls Editor. This tool allows you to drag and drop action spots onto the game screen, corresponding to movement, attacks, and supers. Assign your preferred keyboard keys or mouse clicks to each action, creating a personalized and highly responsive control scheme for your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.